Now, children, let me start with the next topic called how to use so that and to. Often in the exam, you will find these examples. The examiner may ask you to change so that into to or to into so that. Okay, and it is a part of the transformation. Transformation is a process in which we change one structure into another structure without changing its meaning. Again, I'm telling you, beta, in transformation, we change one sentence into another sentence without changing its meaning. Let me give one example to you here. This news is too good to be true. This news is too good to be true. Now, but this too, T-O-O, it always gives a negative sense. Okay, so here this news is too good to be true. It means that this news is so good that it cannot be true. Which tense is used in the previous beta? First one here, present tense. This news is too good to be true. This sentence is in a present tense. The same tense should be used in the another while changing to into so that. When we use so that, it comes all together only after like adjective. This news is so good that it cannot be true. So again, I'm telling you, this T-O-O shows negative. Okay, shows negative use. So we have to use not in the next sentence while changing into so that. One more example here. This mango is too unripe to be eaten. Too unripe to be eaten. It means this mango is so unripe that it cannot be eaten. Again, I'm telling you, when you use to, T-O-O, it means it is a negative sense. And you have to use not in the another sentence. This mango is so unripe that it cannot be eaten. Are you clear? The previous sentence is in a present tense. The same tense should be used in while using so that without changing its meaning. So the meaning is same only. This mango is so unripe that it cannot be eaten. Next example, he's too stupid not to make noise. Not to make a noise. He is too stupid. First negative here, too stupid. One more negative we have used here, not to make a noise. Now, but when we use to, one negative here, two negatives make it a positive sentence. So the next sentence should be positive. It should not have any not. Okay, so here he is too stupid not to make a noise. It means here he's so stupid that he can make a noise. He can make a noise. He's so stupid that he can make a noise. But why we have used here he can make? Because the previous one has two nots. One is in to, other one is a not. So these two nots will make it a positive sentence. One more example here. God is too kind not to forgive our faults. Again, see the example, read the example carefully. God is too kind not to forgive our faults. It means God is so kind that he forgives our fault. Okay, God is so kind that he forgives our fault. This one too negative. This two is already negative. We have used one more negative in the question. Okay, so when we change into so that, it will change into positive sentence. So here, God is so kind that he forgives our faults. Okay, now last one example here. He was too coward to accept a challenge. He was too coward to accept the challenge. It means he was so coward. Was and was, same tense. He was so coward that he could not accept the challenge. But here that T-H-A-T. Okay, he was so coward that he could not accept the challenge. I hope the concept is clear. Let me now tell you one more thing here. In the previous one, we have changed to into so that. Okay, but sometimes they ask us to change so that into to also. The example is given here. The weather is so stormy that we cannot go out today. The weather is so stormy that we cannot go out today. Now here the weather is, now we have to cut so and use to here. The weather is too stormy for us to go out today. If we do not use us beta for us, it will be wrong because it's given here na, the weather is so strong that we, now we will change into here us. Okay, we should go by the question. Again, see here, the weather is so stormy that we cannot go out today. It means the weather is too stormy for us to go out today. So in place of so that, you have to use to. Clear? One more example. The minister is so corrupt that he can kill to make money. Again here, so corrupt that he can kill to make money. This is a positive sentence. Now we have to use here two nots to make it a positive. Okay, so like two nots make positive sentence. The minister is too corrupt not to kill to make money. Again, the minister is too corrupt not to kill to make money. Again, I'm telling you, in the previous example there is not a single not. Okay, now what we will do, 2 is already negative, we'll add one more not here to make it a positive sentence. So here, the minister is too corrupt not to kill to make money. Are you clear? Now one more here. He was crying so bitterly that he could not be consoled. One not is here. Okay, he was crying so bitterly that he could not be consoled. Now answer is here, he was crying too bitterly to be consoled. Are you clear? He was crying too bitterly to be consoled. Are you clear? One not here. So beta, we have used here only one two, TWO2. The tree is so high that I cannot climb it. The tree is so high that I cannot climb it. The tree is too high for me. This me, for me is must here. I is given in the question. Okay, so again, this tree is so high that I cannot climb it. This tree is too high for me to climb it. This tree is too high for me to climb it. Children, you need to go through these examples again and again so that you should have a hold on it.